making the cutest and most simple little dessert. It is like a poolside dessert. And not only that, I mean, like, you're gonna be the coolest mom on the block. So if you're ready, let's go. So all you're gonna need is one bowl, and I also got this whipped topping. Now I'm thinking this may not even be enough. I think we're gonna go through this really fast. So I had it frozen, so hopefully it's good and not too frozen, but we're gonna go ahead and add that to our bowl. Yeah, it's a little still frozen, but that's okay. Hopefully we can whip it up. Okay, so I got that in there. It might be a little too frozen, but I'm not too worried. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add this Jello berry blue Jello. We're gonna add that directly in to our whipped cream or Cool Whip, whatever that is. Okay, and then we're just gonna go ahead and give this a nice mix. Oh my gosh, it smells like blueberries in here, or that blue Jello. Okay, let's get it going a little bit here. Okay, we're just gonna mix that up. I just went ahead and used my spatula to finish it up, but we're just gonna go ahead and get that all mixed up. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Color so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna need a couple plastic cups, okay? All right, now hold with me, stay with me, y'all. This is the cutest little poolside snack ever. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take some of our mixture, we're gonna put it into each of these cups. I'm just using a little scooper here, that way I can keep this cup as clean as possible. Like I said, as clean as possible. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. Now what we're gonna do is I've got these right here, these peach rings. I'm gonna take 2 of them and set them right here. Ooh, look how cute those are. And then I've also got some of these Teddy Grahams. Now you can get whichever flavor you want. These are honey. We're gonna take a couple of those and lay them right there. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your little ring, you're gonna put your little teddy bear in front of that. Look at that, and that's so cute. Okay, and then you're gonna set him inside. I'm gonna do that to the next one right here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And I think he needs a little swimmer friend right here, just to, you know, you don't wanna swim alone, okay? Now, I got, what color should I get? What color should I get? Oh, these are so cute. I got some cute little umbrellas. Okay, let's open this one up. Take off this first little rubber band. Oh my gosh, I almost went in there. Okay, how do these work? Okay, you push it up, and then you roll that other little band up. Oh, and there you go. And then, ta-da! Okay, let's do one more. I'm gonna do this one with the orange one, okay? Oh my gosh, aren't these so cute? Seriously, you're gonna be like the hippest mom on the block. Yeah, everybody's wanna come to your house. They're gonna wanna swim in your pool. Hey, you gotta have the coolest house. That's what I say. Ooh, okay, y'all. Look at these. They are so, so cute. Are you guys ready for the taste test? Look what I made you. They're so cute. Aren't they cute? Okay guys, so now it's time for the taste test. Are you ready? You couldn't wait, could you? That is pretty good. It definitely has that berry flavor, and it's very whipped, which I like. Do you like it? It's different in it. The perfect poolside snack. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link right here, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!